Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Harihar. Here we are going to discuss about how South China Sea hurdles to China. You know, South China is in Pacific Ocean. This sea has also various importance. First one is one third of the world's shipping passes through it. Second one is on this sea it's carrying over $3 trillion in trade each year. And also huge oil and gas reserves are believed to lie in its sea. This South China Sea is bordered with various countries like Brunei, Cambodia, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Taiwan, Thailand, and Vietnam. Time by time, China increased its control over the South China Sea. Other sides, United States, Vietnam, and India have strong partnership about sea. Now the current update is that South China Sea, which is hurdling China's administration. You know, from the beginning of coronavirus, United States complaining WHO against China. Now the various countries, more than 12 countries, which united and alleged to investigation on China. Here WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom, who is favored to China. It also creates dispute to dynamic issue. China Coast Guard (CCG), People's Liberation Army, and other government agencies are covering South China as it's their own. In recent weeks, China dispatching a survey ship into Malaysia's exclusive economic zone, that is EEZ, for seabed investigation. Another side, US Navy warship passing through this region and turning weapon control radar against Philippine warship. If that were not enough, on 18 April, China declared 2 new municipal districts to control the disputed parcel and Spratly Islands. A day later, it published the Chinese name of 80 geographic and underwater features in the South China Sea. These are efforts to enforce a fate complacement and assert sovereignty in disregard to others' sensibilities. The aforementioned Chinese survey ship vessel Haiyang DZ-8, accompanied by several CCG and maritime militia vessels, encroached into Malaysia's EEZ on 16 April. This occurred in the vicinity of West Capel, a British drilling ship contracted to Petronas. The action can be seen as a Chinese protest against Malaysia's ongoing energy exploration in disputed waters. In response, the US Navy sailed 3 different warships nearby. The picture has emerged of Beijing sensing and exploiting this opportunity to assert itself even more in the South China Sea.